Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll explain why hiding the credit card payment option may not work in your Shopify store. The reason is Shopify limitation, not the next reorder app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app and here click on next reorder app. So here you can see the payment method. Here we can click on quick hide payment methods. Okay. So many merchants try to hide the credit card payment option using the app, but sometimes they can't find the option or the rule doesn't work. So the reason is this is happened because Shopify only allow credit card payment customization for eligible Shopify Plus stores in supported region like United States and Canada. So that's it. So if your store isn't eligible, you can still use the next reorder app to hide. So like rename and reorder many other supported payment method. So our store is supported in United States. So the hiding is possible in our store. So some store it is not possible. It is because the Shopify's limitation. So that's it. So hiding the credit card payment option is controlled by Shopify. So if you are using non-plus store or an unsupported region, this feature won't be available. So this is a Shopify limitation, not a next reorder app limitation. So that's it. So now you know why hiding the credit card payment option may not work and when the feature is available. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.